So I've got a 2014 Acura ILX automatic. That's what everything else looks like. So if you got a 2014, it looks like that. Awesome. This is the bottom panel. I'm replacing the fan motor down here. And this part just clicked in from here. That matches that. And then I have this little pry bar thing. Just popped off these 3 pieces. It came down. That light actually just goes right into that little spot right there, and it just like goes in and twists. You just gotta twist it and pull it out, and it comes right out. And so then now I just pull this back off and down. Now I can get to those little screws there. I've got 1, 2, and 3. I'm gonna get that out. I gotta get that sensor out too, and then we'll go from there. Talking about busting out the small guns, man. The little heads there, you can see what you can use. I had to get out my wife's delicate tools and my little 1/4 inch socket wrench, that little itty bitty head there. Anyway, there's those 3 bolts, 3 screws holding it on, and then all of a sudden this just drops right out. So we're gonna drop this out, and that was it. I did have to unplug this from right there, and that was easy. The hardest part was that clip right there, pulling it off of that, but it was just like, pry and pull. So ultimately pretty easy. So now I'm gonna take a look in here. Okay, cool. Don't need to clean anything in there. Otherwise I'd get out my little vacuum and try to get in there, but nope. Now I'm just gonna go get my replacement part and throw it up in there and see how it goes. So you can see the replacement part a lot cleaner. Will it make that big of a difference? I hope so. And so we're just gonna take it. Gotta align that part there with the piece right there, and that's the most important part. And then screws will line up, and so I need both my hands now, so I'm gonna put it up in there, get a couple screws started, and tighten it back up. So the one way in the back, like that screw back there, that was the one in the pain in the neck. Got my little ratchet out. These other ones, I was able to get out the other ratchet, but nice, long, and straight. So no special tools or anything like that, just some little stuff. And then now let's just put this stuff back. Go and do that. Clip that. And then now, so those are good. And then now I can go and take that piece. I'm gonna put those in, take my clippy there for the light that goes there, and then just pop it back in. There's little clips there. Nothing hard. I didn't have to use a lot of force to get it out or get it back in. Otherwise, pretty simple. For a guy like me, that's okay.